In English, we might say, "That's not true." Well, to communicate the same thing in ASL, we'll go like this. Okay, let's learn how to sign "that not true." Here is a sign for that. Okay, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Hand shape is a letter Y, like in the alphabet. Like this, middle 3 fingers down. There we go. We have the hang loose sign, right? That's Y. Now take that Y, and we're just going to go like this. That. From the side, that. Other side. Front again, that. All right? And we don't have to be indicating something physical. It's more like the concept, the lie, the drama. Or we just go forward. That. Okay. Not. Here is a sign for not. Okay. Hand shape. Dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Make an A. Now we can have that thumb there sticking out. We're going to take the tip of the thumb, put it underneath our chin, and just flick forward. Not. Not. At the same time, since we're making the sentence into a negative, we're going to shake our head. Not. Not. From the side. Other side. Not. From the front again. Not. Okay. True. Here is the sign for true. All right. Use your dominant hand. For me, I'm right-handed. Index finger, pointer finger, number 1. We're going to take the side of it and just put it lightly against our lips or close to our mouth at least, and then just come straight out. True. True. Okay? Now, if you're just signing true by itself, you're going to either nod or maybe just have a neutral facial expression. But here, we have not true. So you're going to be not true. All right, shaking that head. You want them to know it's no, 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 not true. Okay, we learned all the signs. Let's put them together. That, not true. Sign with me. That, not true. That, not true. All right, now depending on how much energy we have flowing forward that we really, you've been lying like crazy and I gotta let you know it's not true, put it in your face, put it in your body. You can embellish to really just send that message across. Right? You can speed up and just, put it all in there. That not true. Okay, or you're just kind of chilling, and you just be like, all right, what if we want to do the opposite? Well, just get rid of not. Then we just go, that true. And in this situation, we might nod. It's an affirmative. We want to make sure that it's clear what we're signing. Yeah, that's true. All right, let's practice again with not. Shaking that head. Okay, good. In this lesson, we learned how to sign. We talked about signing in practice. That, not true.